Continuing the halachas now of Siman Kuf Yud, Halach Yud Aleph. Hayorid Bar Hashem, a God-fearing person, Yizor Shekodim Afiyas Amatzah Shalei Yasiku Hetiv Mechodosh as Ataner V'Yifazrus Hagacholam Al Pnei Kulei. A God-fearing person should take care before baking the matzahs to have the oven well heated again, and Yifazru as Hagacholam Al Pnei Kulei, and the coals spread over the entire oven. For who knows if the person who baked the matzahs before him was careful about this. Halach Yud Beis. The baker should be very careful to see that none of the matzahs are folded over. And that one matzah should not be touching the other matzah. Because the place where one matzah touches another, or where it's folded over, does not bake quickly, and it becomes chometz. In the event that matzah is folded over or becomes blown up, if to break that place, and the rest is vashar mutter, and the rest is mutter. If the matzahs touched each other in the oven while still moist, they may be. Halacha Yud Gimel. Care should be taken not to take the matzah out before it was baked properly, so that if you break it, no threads of dough should be between the pieces. Because before this time, the material is dough, and when it's out of the tanner, it will become chometz quicker. As well as the stick that you took it out with is also usher. If you don't know if there is strands or not, you should be machmer mesafek achim komer panel. But if the matzah has formed a crust, you could be lenient. Every Yerushalayim should be careful and should make sure that he's the one supervising the matzahs, and it should be done with zrizus. This was how it was done with Bnei Yisrael, and this is what's done at present time. Last halacha of the Siman Tezvot. The matzah, which we fulfill the mitzvah of eating the matzahs on the first night of Pesach, are referred to as matzahs mitzvah. Therefore, you have to prepare for the sake of mitzvah. The Yisrael Godel Ben Das, through a male of intelligence, he has to be at least 13 years old. Then a woman 12. The shame matzahs mitzvah, and each stage in the preparation, the worker says the shame matzahs mitzvah for the sake of the matzah of the mitzvah. And even as well, drawing the water. He says in the brackets called dinim shekasavnu b'inyan afiyas hamatzos zel min agenu sheifin akil lefnei pesach ha'makom shatachak sheifin gam bepesach ish b'zeh eid chumri siseres hamash shekasavnu. All these halachas is when you bake the matzahs beforehand, but if you're making matzahs on Pesach, there is even stricter halachas v'chein hanegin afis matzahs mitzvah be'erev Pesach achar chatzos hayom tzrichin zeidus yisera as well. If you're making matzahs mitzvahs after matzahs mitzvah after chatzos, then you have to take special care.